What's good, everyone? Wow, I can speak. Alright, it's marth69 for you. Got some boxes. Holy shit. You know what that means? We got some unboxings today. And first up, as you can see, I am now an official owner of a PS3 Slim. Okay. There we go. Okay, so open the top up. Let's see. First things first, how are you going to play without a controller? Okay, that's the first thing. And, oh yeah, DualShock 3. If you don't have one, and if you're one of those people that had the regular 6-axis like you need to get yourself a DualShock 3. This is what's up. Got rumble in it. And also it still has that, you know, motion sensing, all that crap. But alright, you got your power supply and the standard AV cables right there. And I think this is the this is the controller rechargeable cord. And here's the instructions and on Netflix and the manuals all in here. You know, some standard stuff. And here we go. Take the egg casing off. Keep the box, like I said in the other video. You make sure you keep the box. Okay. And so, ooh, look how pretty this. Oh my god. Like that. PS3 Slim. Got 2 USB ports. It's got all of its stuff, digital out, optical, HDMI, LAN cable. Alrighty. Yep, that's the PS3. Let me just gently put that aside for now because I got something else to open. Hey, move this juice. Alright, I don't want this shit freaking hitting nothing. Okay. Now, what could this be? I wonder. We are about to find out. Nope. Oh no, wait. I haven't opened the box in a long time. There we go. I should do it this way. Oh, the suspense is killing you, I know. It must be killing you. I got me another Fightstick. Yep. Okay. Now, as you all know, I just got pissed. And you guys probably asking the question, Marth, what does this mean? Are you gonna go full out Sony? No. What it means is I want to be dominating Street Fighter on both consoles. Enter PS3 Martha Turnstile. So here we go. I'll bring the thing up close so you guys can see. Alright, so just like the Tournament Edition, the regular one, it's just like, you know, the box. You can open it, new artwork and all that junk. And now let's open the box. So I can just take out this stick. I'm definitely keeping this box, obviously. lost a little weight. I already noticed off the bat. The buttons feel... Okay. Yeah, it definitely feels just like the other one, the original TE. We got some dust in it. What is this? Some random white stuff. Easy on the comments. And you got your storage cable for the wire. It's pretty long. That's what she said. Yes, I know. Yeah, I don't know what happened to the, I don't know. There's no mic input, so I don't know how this is going to work with this, but I guess I'm going to have to go wireless and get some type of Bluetooth or whatever now. So, yeah, it's basically just like the TE, except they took off the white edges, and it's you know, it's like it still has weight to it, which is good, and it has the stoppers, so if I want to put it on a table, I could. That's pretty much it, fellas. You got your directions in here. If you can't figure out how to plug something in and use it as a controller, I mean, there are people out there. So, but now I got the PS3, got the stick. Now I need to get the game. So, that being said, fellas, my PSN, Uchiha Slayer69. That's right, I'm keeping that name. That's me on the game. See, I'm Marth Return 69, but I'm also Uchiha Slayer69, and I'm signing out.